In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of QuickBooks Online. This is a very simple process, but it's also an important one, especially if you're working on a shared computer or switching between different accounts. Taking a few extra seconds to sign out properly can help protect your business information and keep your books secure. Let's start on your main QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is the screen you see right after you log in, with your financial overview, shortcuts, and menus. You'll want to look toward the upper right corner of the screen. Up there, you should see a small blue circle. This circle usually shows the first initial of your name or the account holder's name. That little icon is your profile menu. Move your mouse to that blue circle and click it once. When you click the icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu may show your name, your company name, and a few account-related options depending on your setup and permissions. What we're interested in here is the option to sign out of your account. In that drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Sign Out. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Click Sign Out once. When you do this, QuickBooks Online will log you out of your current session and redirect you to the login page. You'll know you've successfully signed out when you no longer see your dashboard or company data, and instead see the sign-in screen asking for your email and password. If you ever walk away from your computer, especially in an office, a shared workspace, or on a public device, it's a good habit to click that profile icon and sign out before you leave. This helps prevent anyone else from accessing your financial records. If you're using multiple QuickBooks Online accounts, signing out first is also a good way to avoid confusion. After you sign out, you can log back in with another user's credentials if needed. If you click the profile icon and don't see the sign out option right away, make sure the menu has fully opened and scroll if necessary. Occasionally, browser zoom or window size can hide items at the bottom of the list, so expanding your window can help. And that's all there is to it. Click the profile icon in the upper right corner, choose Sign Out from the menu, and confirm that you're back on the login screen.